So, hello friends, a very good evening, and hope you all are doing well. I'm doing pretty good. So, friends, whole day today I have to stay indoor due to the incessant rain. The rain has been continuously raining since morning, and I'm just going uh, and walking up the stair and going to my rooftop and try uh, to show you the view from my rooftop of my town. And since it is raining, so everything is covered in the cloud, and now you can see the all the places becoming wet. But at the same time, the rain brings the freshness, and it is somewhat very romantic. But when the things happens, or when the things are in excess, it also has a dark side. That is what is happening over here. You can see, friends. Everything is covered in the cloud, and the rain is not showing the sign of stopping, and I cannot say how long this rain will continue, for how many days, since we have been battling rain since last 2 3 months, and there has been report that in some pockets in the, I mean, in our town, some damages has been caused by incessant and constant deluge, uh, especially the houses which has been put up by the rivers and the streams, and rivers and the streams swell into the big river due to the accumulation of the drain water. So that has caused a landslide, and that is, you know has a ripple effect, and that is how we are battling over here, and just wanted to show you. So friends, here on my rooftop I have made some small kitchen garden. Here you can see, this is the tomato, and actually these should have been the very big one, but now in a very small size it has ripened. Why, how it has become so, I don't know. Actually, the size of the tomato should be big, and as big as what we get in a, you know in the market. And this one is also, that is actually, I have forgotten the name of this very plant. And this is spice, and this is pudina, this is the mint, and I have planted on my rooftop. So whenever I have the problem like the bloating, I come up here and I pluck 2 3 leaves and I consume it raw. Then it helps me get rid of the bloat. And here it is the fish meal I have planted. I have planted this one some months ago. I brought it from my village. In the village, this kind of fish meals are available plenty in the jungles. So we don't have to worry about getting such fish meals when we are in a village. But here we have to purchase the fish meals from the local market, and that too, it is not available all the time. Rarely it is available in the market also. And here, this is now vacant, but here I have shown this dhania, and this is the sapling of the mango. I'm going to take it to my place when I go home, and I have uh, made it ready. And here also, this is tomato, and this is also a mango. I'm getting ready to take home someday when I go home. So, friends, today we have to stay indoor the whole day due to the rain, and you can see the last greenery plants over here, just above my rooftop, and that is papaya. The papaya has not ripe. It has just started to bear fruit. I have plucked many papaya from here last year, and I laid a drape on the tree itself, and it is very sweet. So I enjoyed a lot from this papaya. So here you can see, friends. Now, still it is raining, drizzling. I'm showing it to you from my rooftop. You can see, and all the places are wet. Even the water has come up to my rooftop due to, I think, the blowing of wheel. Now even it's still I can feel the gentle blow of the wheel, but it's quite relaxing and very romantic when uh, you hear the patching of rain, the blowing of the wheels. It is quite rejuvenating. But when it is incessant, it makes uh, me feel low and quite gloomy, and very dejected. I think it is going to be continue for another some more days. So we are going to witness the rain for another some days. See, friends, some birds are flying around in the sky, and that is actually a birds that enjoys the rain. So, friends, that is what I just wanted to show. This is my water tank, and I have filled the water in my syntax. From this syntax, we use the water for our own consumption, and so that is it, friends. Now it is evening time, and if it were sunny, then I could have show you the beautiful sunset and sun, casting the beautiful rays over the sky. But today, unfortunately, it is rain, so everything is covered up in the cloud, so I cannot show you. Little bit, I think there is a the sun rays is appearing on the horizons, and so, friends, that is what I wanted to show you. And you also just comment and from which part of the country you are watching, and how is the weather over there. Let me also know in the comment. And that is all for today. So, friends, until next time, take care. Goodbye, and see you in the next episode.